I bought a new car and no, it doesn't start. Think I'm lying? Let's just try and see what happens. Yeah. You wanna be in the video? Hey, they didn't see you on the channel or so long. What's up, YouTube? We are back with the video. Haven't been on this channel in 3 weeks. No, it's been like 2 months now since GAT. So GAT was on October 3rd. It was my birthday. And since then, the S7 is out of commission right now. It is getting some work done. It should be done pretty soon, so we'll be making videos with that again. As y'all can see, I'm on my camera. This year I want to step up the quality, and I want to bring your videos like I used to. So, this is my Audi A4. What are you doing?
Hey guys.
This is my Audi A4, and I bought this car to learn how to work on cars. Now, here's the thing. The car doesn't start. Okay, the car doesn't start. I don't know what's wrong with it. We don't know what's wrong with it, but that's the whole thing. So, if you guys are following my Instagram, I bought Audi A5. Now, it's a 2.0T, a ZF transmission, just like this one. So, what I'm going to do is take the motor and trans out of that, swap it into this, because that one clearly works, and that one runs fine. This one doesn't, and after we do that swap, we're going to be good, because it's the same motor and trans, so it's just going to work. But after we do that, everything after that is all going to be me. So I'm going to be making videos, learning how to work on it, maintaining it, and I'm also going to be installing a bunch of mods on this thing. So if you guys are following my Instagram, you know I got a bunch of mods from Auto Performance. Basically got a new bumper, new front grille. I'm supposed to get carbon fenders pretty soon. I'm gonna get a carbon hood as well, just like the S7, and then wrap on top of it. Probably do a chrome delete side skirts. I got a rear diffuser, and I'm getting custom headlights and tail lights, and also a custom exhaust as well. So this car is gonna look crazy. We also getting custom wheels from DI4. They're gonna sponsor us again, which is really cool and really fire. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you, it's nothing but ice out here. I'm literally slipping right now, but it is what it is. But yeah, let me show y'all the inside. The battery is dead right now. It's been dead for a minute, but even before it was dead, it still didn't start. So I don't know if y'all can see, but I put my flash on for y'all boys. Cool. So this is the interior. It's in the spec that I would have got from factory, but it's not the worst. The A5 we got, we're gonna swap out the seats because the A5 has cream interior. This is the white interior. As you can see, it's really dirty. I'm pretty sure the last guy that owned it was a smoker. So yeah, not the best conditions, but I mean, it is what it is. We're gonna make do. This build is gonna be crazy. The whole point of me getting this car was to just make it look like the best Audi A4 out there, at least B8.5 Audi A4s. But yeah, so y'all let me know what y'all think about this. But let me show y'all, I got some mods in here in the garage. Now for Auto Performance, here you go. So we got the front bumper, and we have a lip for the trunk, front grille with chrome outlining, because I plan on doing chrome wheels on here. So you guys will see, like it's all gonna come together. I also got some turn signals. I got turn signals. They're like sequential. That's what they're called. So my turn signals right now aren't sequential at all, but they will be sequential, and they will have carbon fiber mirror caps. We got side skirts. We got a front lip. We got a bumper, and yeah, we also got some interior lighting, because the interior lighting on the A5 looks really old. I also got this toolbox off of TikTok shop. Shout out to them. Pretty cool. But yeah, I need to clear out this whole garage, low key. Like, this whole garage is full of car parts and bunch of stuff that I don't use anymore. All of this is about to get cleared out. By the time y'all see this, I might already be halfway clearing it out. Yeah, it's about to be the new year. It's about to be a fresh start for me. It's about to be a fresh start with you guys too. 2026, I think it'll be my year. I think it'll be my year that I blow up. I think it'll be my year that I move out this city and have a fresh start. I think it'll be my year that I have 2 cars, or 3 cars. I probably have 3 cars, and they all be like highly modified, and I show the whole process, and did most of it myself. So that's the goal, man. The goal, I'm about to make a vision board. This is still probably be on the vision board. I probably want to get rid of the A4 and possibly get an S4 for a daily. I'm gonna keep the S7, give it to my mom, because my mom really wants that car for some reason. I do not know why, but she really wants the S7. So I think I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna get rid of this sooner or later. I'll probably do a giveaway on it after the build is done. And after I get done with this, I'm gonna do a giveaway, try to get an S4 for a daily, do a build on that, and get an RS7. Okay, I want to get an RS7. I'm gonna give my mom the S7 and get an RS7. Yeah, we'll see what happens from there. So I don't really know how successful my social media journey is gonna be this year, but all I can tell y'all is it's gonna be crazy. So I got a couple goals I want to set. I want to hit 100K on this YouTube channel this year. I'm gonna be posting a lot more. I gotta get back in my bag. I'm using my camera. I'll be making crispy thumbnails. Okay, we locking in with the short form content. We've been locked in with the short form content, but I mean, we can go harder. You know what I'm saying? We could definitely go harder. So yeah, if you don't follow me now, go follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and on Facebook too. I'm on Facebook too. So it's crazy. Y'all let me know what type of content y'all want me to make. I can't really do too much until my car is back, which it should be back pretty soon. I'll probably vlog for New Year's. I'll definitely probably vlog for New Year's. That'd be crazy to see if we do anything, but I might really just go to church. But it depends on when we get the S7 back. If we get the S7 back before or by New Year's, I'll vlog on New Year's. But if not, it is what it is. Let me know what y'all New Year's resolutions are, and if y'all actually gonna do them. Next video, I'll probably do a video making my vision board and making writing down my goals and stuff to see if we can get it, see if we can get it accomplished. I have 3 cars right now. None of them are on the road, which is so crazy. So, hey, you just gotta trust the process. Alright, you guys, you can clearly see what we got going on. About to go make my vision board. I'm gonna be using my camera for the rest of my vlogs, but I don't feel comfortable bringing my camera into like big stores like this. Yeah, we're about to go home, make the vision board. My mom got her printer, so just had to come get my poster and the glue and markers and stuff like that. We finna get this started. Alright, dude, so we're back. I just cleaned my room, so recording in my room. I haven't done this in a long time, okay? The walls are purple because my niece used to live in this room. Back when my aunt used to live here, that was a while ago. And I just never got around to painting it, and I don't really feel like doing it. So, purple walls, it is what it is. But yeah, so we made the bed and everything. I got a bunch of hoodies, bunch of shoes, bunch of extra shoes that I could be buying from Walmart. I'll be buying random shoes from Walmart. I do have my vision board stuff right here that we are going to start the process on with this. I gotta try to make a list real quick. Listen, bro, size 9.5. I'm trying to get rid of all of these joints, okay? I need my hooping shoes though. I'm about to get the new Kyrie's and the Anta ones, but all of these joints, I'm trying to get rid of all of these, okay? Like literally, I'd take like 120 for each. Like if you got 120 each, bruh, come on, come get them. They don't, like, most of them look, some of them look brand new, some of them look okay, but none of my shoes is beat though, because I take care of everything. Alright, y'all, a couple days later, we back.
Damage car auction. This is like a foreign.
Watching the new Matt Armstrong video.
And they messaged me and said they've got a
we finally got everything I need printed out, so we're about to cut this out real quick, and I'm about to just speed it up. Alright, we're finally done. You can see the remnants on my bed, but yeah, here it is, man. So yeah, man, we just finished it. My handwriting freaking sucked. Here it is, man. So this is the goal for sometime this year. So this is a lot of stuff that I want to achieve before the end of the year. So 200K followers on Facebook. I'm at like 89K right now. So this should be perfectly doable. Perfectly doable. But Facebook also is hard to grow on, so that's why I only put 200K. 1 million followers on Instagram. Now this sounds crazy, being that I'm only at 310 right now, thousand, which is like it's a lot, but like I don't know, bro. 365 days, posting 3 times a day. I think I could do it, bro. 1 million followers. I think I could definitely reach it at least before December 31st. Okay, I think it's possible. 100K subscribers on YouTube. We're gonna be grinding more on YouTube. I officially told myself that we're gonna lock in on YouTube. Upgrade to R7. Now, I don't know exactly how this is gonna work yet, because my mom wants to have the S7. I still owe like 20K left on the S7, so it's not a lot, but like it's not like money that I just have in my pocket, unless randomly a video blows up and I have 20K and I just pay the car off. But that would be once in a blue moon thing, and that would be also amazing if that happened. But regardless, so I would have to get an S7 to my mom. Then I would also have to come out with money to get an R7. Now I also have to find a good R7 as well. So, but that is one of the goals. I do want to get that sometime this year. Upgrading to an S4. I'm basically, when the A4 build is over, I'm gonna get an S4 to have it daily, so I could be a part of the 3.0T community a little bit. Mine isn't gonna be that fast because I don't really care that much about this platform. Like, it's just like a 3.0T supercharged V6 is cool and all, but I'm more of a V8 guy, so this would be my fast car. This would just be, you know, like my quick daily driver. I want to move out of Buffalo, New York. Okay, so that, I don't know if that's gonna happen this year, but I really want to. The only thing that's really holding me back is my credit right now, and I need to get some money saved up. That's why I got this right here. But I need to get some money saved up, so that way when I move, I don't really have to come back for something, because I don't want to be like assed out. I don't mean to cuss, but Mom, I'm sorry. I don't want to be assed out being out there, so I want to get some money saved up. I'm gonna be saving a certain amount of money every day. I'm putting it into account, and then I'm not gonna touch it until I move, or unless I move. But yeah, that goes back to the credit score. I want to get up to a 750 credit score this year. My credit used to be in the high 700s, and it dropped down after I got my car and started buying parts and everything, and it kind of just layered on top. But we can get that down. I'm gonna pay off the credit card first with the highest interest, and I'm gonna just go work my way down to the other credit cards. I only have 5, so it's gonna take a while, but at the same time, I got a whole year. You know what I'm saying? I got a whole year to lock in, so we're just gonna be locked in every day. We're just gonna pay it off a little bit more. 200K followers on TikTok. I really don't like TikTok. I feel like TikTok favors lighter skin tone people. They get a lot more views on the same content we make, and they make it kind of harder for us. But I feel like I could break out of it eventually, you know what I'm saying, and get that 200K. But right now I think I'm at 48,000, and y'all can see like how Instagram treats my videos versus how TikTok does it is crazy. But I mean, it is what it is. We're gonna grow eventually. When it's our time, it's our time, you know what I'm saying? But that is pretty much my vision board. So y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Let me know what goals you guys have for 2026. Yeah, let me know. I might drop this on New Year's, so if I do drop this on New Year's, happy New Year's to everybody. It's time for everybody to lock in, you know what I'm saying? If you want to support me, check out my website, wavykidkev.com. I got some merch on there, some anti-takeover stuff, and then I got some S7 merch on there as well. So go check that out. When the A4 get done, we're gonna have A4 merch too. That'll be cool. But other than that, man, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, comment down below. Stay tuned for more videos. We're going crazy this year. Okay, this year I'm gonna be locking in, making actual dope content, and putting time into it. So hey, if you're ready, hit that subscribe button. Other than that, oh, I got a new mic too. Let me know how this sounds. Hopefully it's not too loud or too quiet, or you know, I got a new mic. So like at the beginning of this video, the mic was trash, and I went to Best Buy to go upgrade the mic. So y'all let me know how it sounds. But yeah, we out, man. I'm done rambling. Subscribe.